Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 11 Pro and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About device. Just a quick disclaimer, I hope that you can see this red dot. It is the notification that you've got some updates to download. So let's tap on About device, and here we have to tap on this blue button. And as you can see, your device will check for the updates. Of course, remember about the internet connection. Whenever you will be up to date, your device will of course inform you about that and that you've got the newest version. If not, you will receive this information that you've got the update available. You can learn more just by tapping on About this version. And after that, simply tap on Download and your device will download it and apply it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.